Hello, and welcome. Today, I want to share with you something incredibly simple yet profound, the ultimate answer to life's big questions. We live our lives constantly questioning, seeking answers, and looking for fulfillment. But what if I told you that the answer is far simpler than we realize? The truth is, we create our reality with our thoughts. What you see around you, the experiences you go through, the way people treat you, all of it is a reflection of the inner world you've built with your mind. The key to ending the search for life's answers lies in understanding this one concept: you are the creator of your world. When you realize that you hold the power to shape your reality, you stop looking for external solutions to your problems. You stop trying to change the world around you and begin transforming your own thinking. The more you change what you think, the more the world changes to match it. It's an ongoing, powerful cycle. What you believe becomes your truth. You might be wondering, how do I start changing my reality? Well, it begins with the understanding that everything in your life is a result of your beliefs. If you're unhappy with something, it's not about changing the outer circumstances. It's about changing the beliefs you hold about yourself, about others, and about life itself. The moment you shift those beliefs, your life shifts with it. You see, the universe is not something outside of you that you need to figure out. It's not some distant force you must seek approval from. The universe is within you, waiting to mirror back what you believe and what you think. When you begin to accept that you are the creator of your reality, you stop living as a victim of circumstances and start living as a master of your own world. Now, let's get a little deeper into what it means to truly create your own reality. The power to create lies within your imagination. Yes, imagination. The power of imagination is often underestimated in our world, yet it's the most powerful tool you have. Your imagination is not just for daydreams or fantasies, it's the very fabric of your reality. Every thought you have, whether conscious or unconscious, is being translated into your experiences. When you imagine something, you are creating it on an unseen level. The more you nurture a thought, the more real it becomes. If you constantly imagine yourself in a certain situation, or feeling a particular emotion, you are setting that in motion. This is how the law of attraction works, not by wishing for something, but by becoming a vibrational match to it through your thoughts and feelings. What does this mean for you practically? It means that if you want to change something in your life, you must first change your mental image of it. Visualize the person you wish to be. Feel the emotions of that person right now. Imagine the success, the happiness, and the fulfillment you desire. You must do this with conviction, knowing that the mental image you hold will soon become the physical reality you experience. The world, as you know it, is simply a projection of your mind. This might sound strange at first, but think about it. Everything you perceive in the world is filtered through your own beliefs and assumptions. For instance, two people could look at the same situation and perceive it entirely differently. One might see opportunity, while the other sees struggle. The difference? The beliefs and mental images each person holds. Your mind is the lens through which you view everything. Change the lens, and the world around you changes as well. Now, if you're feeling a little skeptical, I understand. We've all been conditioned to think that the world is separate from us, that we're just passive participants. But what if we've been wrong all along? What if the key to unlocking everything we want is simply realizing that we are the ones who hold the power to shape our lives? It's important to know that this isn't about magical thinking or wishing for things without action. Yes, action is important, but it's the inspired action that comes from a mind filled with belief and conviction. When you align your thoughts with your desires, your actions will naturally follow, and they will be in harmony with your goals. The ultimate truth here is that you are not separate from the universe, you are an extension of it. The same energy that created the stars, the mountains, and the oceans is within you. It's in every thought, every feeling, every belief you hold. Once you truly understand this, the search for answers will end. You will know that you already have everything you need to create the life you desire. You simply need to trust in your own power. But how do you build this trust? It starts with small steps. Begin by questioning the beliefs you hold about yourself. What do you truly believe about your worth, your abilities, and your future? Are these beliefs serving you, or are they limiting you? Once you begin to identify these beliefs, you can start to shift them. Replace negative, self-limiting thoughts with positive, empowering ones. Imagine the life you want to live, and start feeling the emotions of already having it. Another important piece of this puzzle is the understanding of time. Time, as we know it, is an illusion. Our minds are not bound by time. When you imagine something, whether it's a year from now or a minute from now, your mind experiences it as if it's happening right now. This is why the present moment is so powerful. It is the only moment that truly exists. And in the present moment, you have the power to create anything you desire. The key to ending your search for life's answers is realizing that you are the creator of your reality. Stop looking outside of yourself for the answers, and start looking within. The universe is not a mysterious force to be understood, it is a reflection of your inner world. When you understand this, everything changes. The struggles, the frustrations, the confusion, all of it dissolves. You become the master of your own life, and the world begins to reflect that power back to you. When you take full responsibility for your life and your thoughts, you begin to see that everything is within your control. You are not a passive observer in your life, you are the active participant. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are the building blocks of your reality. They are not separate from you, they are you. You hold the key to unlocking everything you've ever wanted. The answers to life's big questions are not found in external searches or distant quests. They are found in the power of your own mind. The moment you realize this, your life will begin to unfold in ways you never thought possible. The power to transform your life is in your hands. The way you interact with the world and the way you respond to situations are determined by the internal beliefs you hold. The more you learn to master your mind, the more control you have over your external reality. It all starts with understanding that your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas. They are the building blocks of your future. If you want to create something different, you need to think differently. The world reflects back what is within you. But how do you change the way you think? The first step is to become aware of your thought patterns. Many of us go through life on autopilot, believing that our thoughts are just random. But the truth is, they are not random at all. Our thoughts are a direct result of our conditioning, our experiences, and our past beliefs. The more you recognize this, the more control you will have over your life. Your thoughts are not who you are, they are simply the product of past conditioning. You have the power to change them. The process of changing your thoughts begins with being present. When you are present, you are no longer caught in the past or future. You are simply here, in the now. It is only at this moment that you can make decisions, take action, and choose your thoughts. When you begin to observe your thoughts, you can begin to change them. This is the foundation of self-mastery. By consistently choosing thoughts that align with your desired outcomes, you start to reprogram your mind. When you understand that your thoughts create your reality, you stop waiting for the external world to change. Instead, you begin to change the inner world. Your thoughts are the most powerful tool you have. They shape your beliefs, your feelings, and your experiences. This realization allows you to take full responsibility for your life. You no longer blame others or circumstances for your situation. You understand that your reality is a direct result of your inner world. You have everything you need within you right now to create the life you desire. The search ends here, in the realization of your own power. The ultimate answer to life's big questions is simple: you are the creator. You have the ability to shape your life, to transform your world, and to live the life you've always dreamed of. It's time to stop searching outside of yourself for the answers. The power to create your reality has always been inside you. Trust it, believe in it, and start living it now. The life you want is waiting for you, and it's already within your grasp. All you have to do is take the first step and know that you are the creator of it all.